Okay, guys, we are done already in the border. So it's just take us, like no, it's just like 10 minutes. But when we get to the officer and just like ask some question, it's just like a minute, and then they let us go. So yay, Canada, here we come. Yeah, kids are very excited. We're gonna have a lot of fun, and it's more adventure is coming here, and yes, we're gonna share it with you guys, okay? Yeah, because the kids now is 2 more weeks to go. They're gonna go back to school, so now they are very excited. They feel like isolated in the city, so now we try to get out in the city before the